Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. If you want to convert YouTube long video into a short video, so this video for you. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can convert long video such as YouTube video, TikTok, Instagram, any kind of videos, long video. It could be your YouTube video, Google Doc, any other platform like StreamYard or something like live program. Okay, so you can make it short within a few minutes. So I will show you the steps, and the number one step is you have to find your YouTube video. That's mean which video do you want to clip. And the second step is we have to sign up into AI tools and then copy and paste and just wait and see. So using three steps we'll find amazing clips. Okay, so no more delay, just grab your copy and stay tuned. Alright, so today we'll be using Vizard.ai. It's a AI tools turning your long video into viral clips with AI magic. Alright, so if you have any videos like long format video, here you can see TikTok, Instagram, YouTube shorts and many more. Okay, so once you create your shorts video, you can upload into multiple social platform. Okay, and short video is the king to grab your attention, like audience attention, and grab your customer as well. As here you can see the long format video and it's generated the shorts video. All right, here you can see the option is over there. We'll be creating this kind of videos. Okay, and you don't have to high skill like editing different kind of b-rolls or any kind of effects. Okay, so it's a AI tools. Just using this AI you will see the amazing shorts video. And why these tools? Here you can see hundreds of creators, they are already love these tools and they are creating different kind of shorts video. Okay, so you can see if you have any news video, course video, podcast and courses, TV shows, interview. All right, also you have gaming channel. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, so this video for you. All right, so not only YouTube channel, if you have any Instagram, TikTok account and other social media, so this video will help you a lot. So click on sign up for free. You can sign up with your Google account. Also you can sign up with the email address, first name, last name and password. So click on sign up with Google button. Okay, so already I have an account, so I'm going to click on sign in account. And the same process, click on sign in with Google account. Alright, so if you have multiple Gmail accounts, so it will come up here. Just select your Gmail account that you want to sign up with that. Okay, so once you log into this account, you will see this dashboard. Okay, so here you can see there's some tutorial options, so you must watch these tutorials if you want to. Okay, and also here you can see let's get started. If you have any file, that's mean you want to upload and make it short, so you can upload from your local file. And one more thing guys, this is a free account. Here you can see, and once you sign up you will see the 120 minutes used. All right, so already I have used 43 minutes. So every month, each and every month you will find 120 minutes. All right, and the reset is 1 June 17 2024. So our first step is done. Our second step is find the YouTube video that you want to clip. So here you can see Alex Harmozy, I'm a big fan of him. So let's copy this URL, that's mean video URL, and we are going to clip this video. Okay, so let's open this video first of all. Alright, so there are two ways you can copy the YouTube video URL. So first of all, right click on the video and you will see copy video URL. Alright, also you can grab this URL, no problem at all. So already we copied this. Alright, so our second step is done. Copied the video URL that you want to, and come back with our Vizard dashboard and click on upload from link. And this is the option where you can see paste your YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo or StreamYard link. So we have YouTube videos, so just paste it here and wait and see, it will come up this video. All right, here you can see, and the idea will make your business unstoppable. This is the video title, available 4K. So make sure the language. Alright, so there are multiple languages supported over there, Arabic and different kind of Dutch, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese. So make sure if you want to make it as a different languages, so keep it English as well. And let's check the clip preference, which is really important. That's mean the some settings over there. If you want to preferred length is less than 30 seconds, so just click on that, and 30 to 60 seconds between that you will select this. Okay, so preferred length is auto. I will make sure it auto, and the ratio is a 9:16. That's mean you can upload into your TikTok account, YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. Okay, and make sure auto emoji, and also you can choose the template. So click on template section and you will find different kind of templates over there. So if you have multiple person, that's main talk show or interview type videos, so you can select this. All right, also you can select this. There are over 3 people over there, and if anyone a single person, that's mean maybe in this video he is talking alone. Okay, so make sure this, and I'm going to click on the first one and click on apply. Okay, so our settings is already done, and just click on get clip AI. We just copied the video link that you want to clip, and just come here and paste, and just some settings over there, and just get clip AI. Okay, so we have to wait some few minutes, like uploading these videos, and they are creating our project and transcribe. And finally, the last step is how you can download and edit options. So I will show it later, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so our video is almost done. Here you can see AI is analyzing your video. Typically takes 15 minutes, but don't worry, it will not take 15 minutes. Okay, so if you have good internet connection, so maybe it will take some like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so let's see. So also after generating this video, we have options, multiple options. That's mean we can edit this video, and at a time here you can see 10 clips found. Okay, so that's mean you will see the first one is 20 seconds, and the second, third, fourth, and the last one is 17 seconds. Okay, and the title is over there. All right, so you can click each on every videos, and if you want to edit something, so you can. Okay, so I'm going to show you the little bit how we can edit this, and finally I will show you the last step how we can download this video. Okay, all right guys, so here you can see our first video is ready, and this is the subtitle over there. It's really amazing, and the title is unveiling the secrets of successful content creation. All right guys, so as I told you, if you want to edit this, just click on edit button. Alright guys, so this is the editing options where you can see, find the audio and the scenes, alright, the subtitles, and this portion like this. Okay, so this portion has been created a 20 seconds clips using this. Alright, and you will see the left side bar, transcript, templates, subtitles, video, text, if you want to add some text over there if you want. Okay, alright guys, so our third step is we have to download this. So how we can do this? Very simple, just click on export. Okay, and make sure the title is, if you want to change this title, just write it here, and resolution, make sure this, and if you want to download 180 resolution, so you have to purchase the premium section. Okay, so just click on export. Alright, so your video is queued for export, so click on view progress, and it will come up with new tab, and where you can see the video is rendering. Alright, so once you reach this page, and here you can see the share button. So if you want to share like this way, and also find this download option, so make sure this video mp3 and click on download. Alright guys, so this is how easily you can make any long video into a short clip video using these AI tools. It's really amazing tools, so check it out. So if you don't want to edit this, just click on directly export button, and the same, just click on export, and it will the same process that I showed already, the first option. So once the video is ready, just click on download and make sure the mp4 section. Okay, click on download. And the disclaimer is it's not 100% free tools guys, so many of you just commenting that. Okay, so whenever you use any tools, you have options to use their free version. So I'm trying to educate you how you can make your life easy, okay, using this kind of AI tools. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you love this content, check out my other videos. I've already made different kind of AI tools video. So no more today, see you in the next video. Okay, so have a good day, tada, bye bye.